CompTIA, Tech Plus, FC0-U71, Practice Exam. Questions 191 through 195. This video is part of our practice exam video series, and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great, let's begin. Question 191. A user upgrades their internet plan from 100 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second. Which of the following best describes what has increased? The answer is C. Throughput. Throughput is the measure of how much data can be transferred in a given amount of time. It is often used to describe network speed in units such as bits per second. In this scenario, upgrading from 100 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second increases the throughput, meaning more data can be transferred each second. Question 192. Which of the following best describes attenuation in a wireless network? The answer is B. The reduction of signal strength over distance. Attenuation describes how a signal becomes weaker as it travels over distance. In wireless networking, attenuation is often made worse by walls, interference, or other physical and environmental obstacles. As attenuation increases, the signal loses strength, which can cause slower speeds, poor connectivity, or dropped connections. Question 193. In a relational database, which feature is used to make sure only acceptable values can be stored in a specific column? The answer is A. Constraint. A constraint in a relational database is a rule that restricts the type of data that can be stored in a column. For example, a constraint can ensure that values fall within a certain range, are unique, or match a specific format. This helps maintain accuracy and consistency of the data stored in the database. Question 194. Which of the following best describes the purpose of location tracking as part of device security? The answer is B. Monitors the geographic position of a device. Location tracking is used to monitor the physical position of a device, often through GPS or network signals. It is valuable for security because it allows organizations or users to detect unusual movement, recover lost or stolen devices, and maintain logs of where a device has been used. This supports accountability and helps protect sensitive information. Question 195. Which of the following represents the 4 fundamental functions of a computer system? The answer is D. Input, processing, output, and storage. The 4 fundamental computing operations are input, processing, output, and storage. Input allows data to enter the system, processing transforms the data into useful information, output presents the results, and storage saves data for future use. These 4 steps form the foundation of how all computer systems function. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you are always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.